Hi, I'm Lanlard. I'm a Master Patissier originally from France, and this is Cake Boy, my patisserie in southwest London. I've been very lucky over the years to work for very successful people. We did cake for supermodels and pop stars like Madonna or Lady Gaga. The highlight would have to be baking for Her Majesty the Queen and being introduced to her and meet her properly. Our afternoon tea is a twist on a classic afternoon tea. We call it a French afternoon tea, so there is no scone, no clotted cream. It's very glamorous, a lot of little bites to eat, savory and sweet, and of course, you have to have champagne. I created a vegan afternoon tea, a little bit with guilt because it was always a last-minute thought for us, so we decided to work very hard to create something special, who look as good and taste as good as our regular afternoon tea. On the vegan afternoon tea selection, it will have to be the chocolate tart, so it's 68% dark chocolate shell. It will look like a little tartlet, and inside there is a dark chocolate mousse made with Verona chocolate. But it's an avocado-based mousse, so it's very creamy, very rich, and a little bit of gold leaf because we like our glamour. For me, my top tip about eating afternoon tea: don't have lunch. Make sure you come with an empty stomach so you're ready to enjoy it. Take your time, and don't be shy to try different tea as well. Start with something nice and dark, a black tea with the savory, but then move on to something a little bit more floral like an Earl Grey or green tea with the sweet, because your taste buds change as you go along.